Are you making the switch from Chrome to Opera? That's a great choice. Opera offers a fast, secure, and customizable browsing experience. But before you start exploring the web with your new browser, you'll likely want to import your data from Chrome, such as your bookmarks, passwords, history. Select Settings. Go to Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Synchronization section and click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. A pop-up window will appear, asking you which browser you want to import data from. Select Chrome and choose the items you want to import, such as bookmarks, passwords, history, browsing data, and autofill data. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below.